In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted emails from Yahoo. If you accidentally remove messages or they disappeared, Yahoo offers a restore process that can bring them back. Before we begin, a quick note: restores are time sensitive, often limited to recent activity, and they aren't guaranteed. Also, always check your trash and spam folders first. If the emails are there, you can simply move them back. Start by going to the Yahoo sign-in page. If your browser shows an existing account, click it to proceed. Enter your email address, then your password, and complete any verification prompts to sign in securely. Once you're in, click Mail at the upper right corner to open your inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, look toward the top area and open Account Info if it's available to you. From there, access Help. Depending on your view, you may see a button or link labeled Go to reach the main Help Center. This takes you to Yahoo's support articles and tools. In the Help Center, look for the article titled Recover Lost or Deleted Emails and open it. This page explains the process and includes the link you need. Click Send a Restore Request to launch the request form. On the form, start by selecting a clear description of the problem under Describe the Problem. Choose the option that best matches missing or deleted emails. Then select When did you last see the missing messages? Pick the most accurate time frame. The closer you are, the better Yahoo can target the restore. Next, enter your Yahoo ID. This is the account you want to recover messages for. Provide a working email address you currently have access to. Yahoo will use this to contact you with updates on the request. Complete the recap to verify you're not a robot. When everything is filled out, click Create Request to submit. You should receive a confirmation that your request was received. After that, keep an eye on the contact email you provided for status updates. If the restore succeeds, the recovered messages will appear back in your mailbox. Give it some time, then check your inbox, relevant folders, and use the search bar to locate specific messages. A few tips as you wait. Avoid making big changes to filters or deleting more messages, as mailbox changes can complicate recovery. Don't submit multiple requests for the same issue. One well-documented request works best. If the request can't be fulfilled, review filters, connected apps, and third-party clients in case messages were moved automatically. That's it. Follow these steps to submit a Yahoo Mail restore request and maximize your chances of getting those deleted emails back.